Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's topic is about equilibrium constant unit. Now let's dive in a topic. What are the units of equilibrium constant? The equilibrium constant expression involves the concentration or partial pressures of the reactants and products. The units of equilibrium constant K will depend on the number of moles of reactants and products. There are following two cases. Case 1. When the total number of moles of products is equal to the total number of moles of reactants, then has no units. For example, N2 plus O2, 2NO is formed, and in backward reaction 2NO decomposed to form N2 and O2. K equilibrium is equal to, or Kc is equal to, the active masses of products, that is NO power 2, divided by the active masses of the reactants, that is N2 plus O2. Here we have seen 2 moles of NO is formed. So the K is equal to NO power 2 divided by N2 into O2. When the total number of moles of products is equal to the total number of moles of reactants, then has no units. For example, N2 plus O2, 2NO. If the concentrations are expressed in terms of mole per liter, then mole per liter square, it is for NO, divided by mole per liter into mole per liter. These two units are cancelled by these square, so it has no unit. Hence, equilibrium constant K has no units when the total number of moles of products is equal to the total number of moles of reactants. Case 2. When the total number of moles of products is different than the total number of moles of reactants, then K has units. For example, N2 plus 3H2 form 2NH3. On reactant sides, we have 3 plus 1, 4 moles, while at the side of products, we have 2 moles of NH3. Equilibrium constant K will be given as K is the molar concentration of product divided by the molar concentration of the reactant. So K is equal to NH3 power 2, which is the coefficient, divided by N2 1 and H2 3. The unit of K will be mole per liter square, mole per liter, concentration of NH3 square, divided by mole per liter for N2 and mole per liter cube for H2, which is equal to liter square per mole square. These units cancel this. So mole into mole, mole square, and liter into liter, liter minus 2, and when it rearrange we get liter square per mole square. Hence, it is concluded that equilibrium constant K has no units, that is dimensionless, if the total number of moles of products is equal to the total number of moles of reactants. On the other hand, if the total number of moles of products is different than the total number of moles of reactants, then K has specific units. Now, quote of the day. Words are powerful. Use them wisely. People come and go, but the right ones stay. You are doing enough even if it doesn't feel like it. Failure is when you don't try. Random acts of kindness make everyone feel better. Live for today, not for tomorrow. Never look back, there is nothing there for you. Overthinking kills happiness. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.